Keep walking. Scarlett, you stopped walking. Walk towards the garbage pail. Bella will follow you. You want to walk her back this way? Walk her towards Mommy. Can you bring her here, please? It's okay. She's tangled. Go over by her collar. Grab the leash and pull it through. Right. Now do it with the other leg. Bella, you're the best dog ever. Pull it through the front. Good job. Oh, one more foot.